Did you know? During the 16th century, many major European cities began publishing bills of mortality. These bills recorded the cause of death, illness, and in some cases the number of christenings in that year. This information was used to monitor public health for taxation purposes, but has also proved invaluable to modern historians who wish to understand more about life in the past, in particular life in cities such as London. An interesting bill of mortality for London comes from 1629, during the reign of King Charles I. The bill lists causes of death including being planet-struck, which isn't quite so comical as it may sound. It was rather a form of lunacy, apparently being affected by celestial bodies and going a bit mad. Worms were also listed as a cause of death, though these were intestinal worms rather than the garden variety. Excessive drinking was very high on the list, and seems to have been a major problem for London over the years. There were also those who were described as having died simply suddenly. This was a turbulent century for the capital. It saw the execution of a king, a civil war, and of course in 1666, the Great Fire of London. Though as much as the Great Fire was lamented, it killed surprisingly few people. And thus a 17th century Londoner could not unreasonably claim that a fear of death by fire was much further down their list of concerns than a fear of death from the planets above.